they're just, it's no frills. Debbie, it's happened again. Damn it. Hey, it's SHOVELHEADFFEJ out in the Shovelhead shed, and yes, I've cut my beard. If you've watched my channel, you know I cut my beard all the time. Honestly, I don't think I've ever got more hate mail or negative comments as when I cut off my beard. Number one, my beard is no magical ornament that helps me fix motorcycles. I'm not a wizard. I'm not Santa Claus. I'm a guy that fortunately or unfortunately happens to have testosterone, and one of the ways that you can tell I have testosterone is that these hair follicles come out of my face. I shave and I don't shave, and I hate having a white beard during this time of year. I get attacked by children, and I get the "hey, Santa Claus" and all the other good stuff. So generally this is about the time that I shave. Sometimes, I mean, that's a 5-month beard, I think 6-month beard, something like that. You can look back on the videos and see when I shaved. Doesn't take me a long time to grow a beard. If you want a beard, grow your own damn beard. Leave me and my beard alone. Anyway, super short video. Got so much happening that I almost didn't make a video this week, and the only reason why I made a video this week is because I want to, for the new subscribers, we are giving away this motorcycle. It's a 2007 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200L. The L stands for low rider, low for short guys like me. Anyway, I know you guys keep hearing this about this motorcycle, and I'm going to keep saying it until we give this motorcycle away, because I want to give this motorcycle away to somebody. You know, I got out my little pencil the other day, and I started realizing, you know, we're giving you a $6 ticket. The tickets are $25. We're giving you a $6 ticket. So if you take that $6 away from the $25, that's $19. For $19, you're getting you're getting your chance to win this motorcycle. We're not giving something for nothing. You're getting a sticker. The money helps to go towards me to rebuild and to rehab old motorcycles, shovel heads and stuff like that, which eventually will be given away on this channel. It's taken longer than I thought it would, but that's just the way that it is, you know, because I never gave anything away before. And I want somebody to have this motorcycle. It's a great, great motorcycle. Also, Forgotten Angels. Today's Wednesday. It's Wednesday about 8 o'clock in the morning. Getting ready to go to Forgotten Angels. Going to spend the weekend there. I may camp out. I may not. I'm only an hour away. Why go to a porta potty when I have a bathroom an hour away? So if you see me, and if you see some guy that's got like, that might be him or might not be him, yeah, it's me. Stop and say hi. You guys know what I look like. I know what some of you look like, but I don't know what everybody looks like. Please go to my channel, SHOVELHEADFFEJ.com. The cool hats, especially now, especially this time of year. It's really awesome to piss people off. We've got the hoodies, which it's cold in Florida right now. It's cool, but it's cold. T-shirts and koozies and stickers and all that other stuff. At the beginning of the year, we're going to have a bunch of new stuff. And God willing, if the creek don't rise. Anyway, not a lot this week because I got so much going on. Like I said, I wasn't going to show. I wasn't going to do a video, but I wanted to show this bike because I want this bike gone. We got new subscribers, so if you go to SHOVELHEADFFEJ.com, get all the details on the $25 giveaway. which you'll get a $6 sticker, and it's a cool sticker, and it helps me to produce these videos, to pay for all this stuff. And look, man, I mean, I'm gonna be breaking even on motorcycles, breaking even on Sportsters, you know. I'm sorry, on shovel heads that I should keep for my collection and for my estate and for my children's inheritance and all that other stuff. But I'm gonna give those bikes away. And I got a bike or two I'll save for the kids, but I have, it's something that's really deeply in my heart to do, is to put people on motorcycles that the average working guy just can't afford, because they are getting so expensive, and it's getting to where really shovel heads are becoming like for the rich guys. Love them or hate them, they are what they are. I happen to love them. So anyway, like, share, and subscribe. Please like, share, and subscribe. You guys be safe. Hopefully I see you down at Forgotten Angels. If you don't know what the Forgotten Angels is, go look. Google. Google's your friend. All right. Yeah, and keep all the beard, whatever, man. Go grow your own. Peace, man. SHOVELHEADFFEJ.com. Please. Out. SHOVELHEAD out.